वेलकम बैक टू कोड टू कॉर्टेक्स। आज हम करने वाले हैं बिल्ड एन एप्लीकेशन टू जनरेट टेक्स्ट एम्बेडिंग्स विद जेमिनी ऑन वर्टेक्स एआई लैब। This lab is from Arcade Level 3, January. So, first we'll click Start Lab. Now this lab is a challenge lab, यानी कि इसमें आपको कोई भी लिखा हुआ पहले से कमांड नहीं दिया जाएगा, आपको खुद on the basis of challenge and scenario create करना होगा. This lab is for learning purposes only. We are making a video on it to help you learn about how the code works and how to tackle these challenge scenarios. We will explain every single line to you and their work and how they are assisting in this lab. लैब स्टार्ट होने के बाद हमारे पास ऐसा इंटरफेस खुलेगा जिसमें इस तरफ एक VS कोड एडिटर खुलेगा. सो यहाँ पे आपको फाइल पे क्लिक करना है, क्लिक न्यू फाइल. देन इधर आपको एक कोड पेस्ट करना है जो कि आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में मिलेगा. नाउ उस कोड को नोटपैड में हमें कॉपी कर लेना है. देन यहाँ से आप इसे सिंपली कॉपी करके यहाँ पेस्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले हम इसको समझेंगे कि कौन सी चीज क्या कर रही है एंड हमने इन्हें क्यों यूज किया. फर्स्ट, import Vertex AI. So as you can see, it just simply imports the Vertex AI library. Okay. Now this line, this imports the embedding model class. All right. Now the def is a function. Okay. So it defines the embedding function here, and these are all the things within that function. Now for this line, this initializes the Vertex AI with your project and location. Okay. Now onto this model. So this loads the pre-trained embedding model. As you can see, अगर आप कोड को ध्यान से देखोगे तो समझना थोड़ा आसान हो जाता है. Next, embedding is equals to models.get. This command generates the text embeddings. Alright. Next, we have this vector command. Vector is equals to embedding 0.values. This extracts the embedding vector. Okay. I'm not going into very much detail just so that it is also good for everyone to understand. नेक्स्ट ये एक प्रिंट कमांड है that that prints the vector length. Okay. Next, this is return vector. Now return vector is for returning the embedding vector, this thing. All right. Now this is a loop. All right. This checks the main execution. Next, we have this sample text is equals to natural language processing thing. So this defines the sample input text. This is again a print command. It displays input sentence, as you can see. Next, the last line is text embedding sample text, which means it runs the embedding function. It runs this, as you can see, text embedding prompt. So here text embedding function is called and sample text is the prompt. Okay, where sample text is this line. So this is how this code works as the lab asked for it. Now you will just copy this, paste it here. So after pasting the code here, you don't have to run it or save it first. First you have to update your project ID and then change your location. So my project ID here is this. So copy this, update it, and my location is US West 1. So copy this and then update this. Now you have to save this file. So click Ctrl S. Now for the name, we are given that the file name should be this. So we'll copy this, replace the untitled and enter here. Click save. After saving this file, you have to click run. Okay, to run this command and to complete this lab successfully. Now, as you can see, after saving the file, a green button appears here. You have to just click this to run the Python file in the terminal. Next, let's check my progress. And congratulations, the lab is complete. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe our channel for more such videos.